Hello all. In this video we will see a GATE CSE exam question which is based on function and static storage class. So here is the question. We wish to know what is the output of this program. Okay. So you can see we are given two functions, main and func_p. So let us see what happens when this program executes. So we know that when program runs it will make use of a stack. Okay, so this is a runtime stack we have. The execution begins from main. So we have a stack frame for main which will contain memory for x and memory for y, because x and y are auto storage class variables, local variables, so they are part of main. Then we call this function func_p. So func_p function is called for the first time. But now when we call this function, we are declaring and initializing a static storage class variable. Since this is a static storage class variable, memory for this static storage class variable x will not be allocated on the stack, rather it will be allocated somewhere else, which is a static global memory area, which is outside of stack, and here memory for x is allocated. Now this static variable will get a fixed address, okay, and its value is 1. Okay, then we increment the value of x by 1, so x becomes 2, right, and then we return x. So when we exit from the function, what happens is this stack frame for func_p will be destroyed, right, but x is not destroyed, x remains there, and what we have returned is the current value of x, which is 2, which we copy it into mains x, so mains x becomes 2. Okay, then we call func_p again. Second time we call the same function again. When we call this function for the second time, there is no reason that this statement will get executed. So this statement creates x, x is already created, so this statement will not be executed. That statement will execute only when you call the function for the first time. Okay, so directly control will come to x plus plus, which makes x as 3, and then you return x. When you return x, that will be copied over here. So what we are trying to do over here is y assigns the return value from func_p, which is 3, plus x. This x is of mains x, which is 2. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to assign 5 to y, and when we exit from the function, the stack frame for func_p is destroyed, but x is still there. And then when we print the output, which is x plus y, so we print x plus y, so x is 2, y is 5, so the output of this program happens to be 7. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Thank you.